Conquering modals in passive voice, an easy approach. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic: modals in passive voice. It might sound tricky, but don't worry. We'll demystify this together and make English grammar more comfortable and more fun. Before we start with the passive voice, let's revisit modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Examples include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. For instance, in the sentence, "She can play the piano," can is the modal verb expressing ability. Moving on, let's talk about passive voice. In passive voice sentences, the subject undergoes the action rather than performing it. It often comes in handy when the doer of the action is unknown, irrelevant, or we want to emphasize the action over the doer. For example, "The book was read by John" is a passive voice sentence, where the book is the subject undergoing the action. Now, here's where things get interesting. When we combine modals with passive voice, we can express more complex ideas. To form a modal passive, we use the structure modal plus be plus past participle. For example, the sentence, "The work can be done by tomorrow." Here, "can be done" is an example of a modal in the passive voice. One of the beautiful things about modals in passive voice is that they can be used in different tenses. For present tense, we can use can, may, must. E.g., "The test must be taken at the designated center." For past tense, we can use could, might, should. E.g., "The letter could have been sent yesterday." For future tense, we can use will. E.g., "The package will be delivered tomorrow." Remember, the choice of modal also imparts a specific meaning or mood to the sentence, so choose them thoughtfully. Let's wrap this up with some practice. 1. Active: "She can bake a cake." Passive: "A cake can be baked by her." 2. Active: "You must complete the project." Passive: "The project must be completed by you." 3. Active: "They will deliver the newspapers." Passive: "The newspapers will be delivered by them." Try forming your own sentences using modals in passive voice. Practice makes perfect. There you have it, folks. You've just learned about using modals in passive voice, a great tool to make your English more versatile and professional. Remember, don't fear making mistakes. They're part of the learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master this concept. Until next time, happy learning.